Can you make money by walking? Surprisingly, yes. In quite a lot of ways, as well as revealing the freebies you can get just by slapping on a pair of trainers, we've gone the extra mile to reveal the fully fledged business ideas you can get off the ground just by walking. As with anything, the more time or effort you put in, the better the rewards. Either way, if you're looking for unusual jobs apps that pay you to walk or smart student startup ideas, you've come to the right place. But before that, we request you that if you are new to the video and have not liked the video yet, then please first like the video and then subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Get paid to do tasks. People are willing to pay for just about anything nowadays, and that includes random errands and deliveries. If you live in an urban area where you can easily get around without a car, then this is the perfect way to earn some spare cash by walking. Although you'll have to be prepared to go out of your way to get the job done. From late-night chocolate runs to helping people move boxes into their new flat, you'll have to be up for anything. But you can pick jobs that fit around your schedule and that you're comfortable doing, and it's a useful way to earn an extra £30 to tide you over at the end of term. Unfortunately, tasking apps advertising these kinds of jobs aren't available everywhere yet, but there are a couple of big ones that are growing rapidly. Airtasker or TaskRabbit. Help of these you can easily earn money by walking and completing some tasks. Number 2. Become a human billboard. We may be living in the digital age, but we reckon you're only ever 2 streets away from a guy wearing an all-you-can-eat buffet sign. There are lots of rules and regulations on placing adverts on streets in the UK, so companies often choose to hire someone to display a sign for them. Human directionals is the official job title, in case you were wondering. It's easy money and involves a lot of standing around, but don't expect to get paid much more than the minimum wage. After all, it's pretty low-skilled work. All you need is a high threshold for standing around dressed as a bowling pin or a horse's head. If you fancy it, contact some local businesses or keep your eyes peeled for job adverts and grab any opportunities that come up. Number 3. Get paid to walk dogs. Most student houses won't even let you house a goldfish, never mind a golden retriever, so if you're a dog person, becoming a dog walker can be a win. There are loads of potential clients, from pensioners to people with a 9-to-5 job or pretty much anyone else who can't manage 2 or more walks a day. Typically with sites like Care Pets, you'll pick up/drop off dogs and walk them for an agreed amount of time or distance 1 or more times a day. Always keep your pooches on a lead for more security and less stress. Friends, today we have told you 3 such opportunities with the help of which you can easily earn money just by walking. So friends, we will meet again in the next video. If you liked the video, then please do like the video and also subscribe to the channel.